Is housing loan refinancing the only method to solve all your housing loan problems? Hi, my name is Aho and I'm the founder of G Advisory. So recently I did two debt management workshop, and this was one of the biggest learning that many participants have shared. I just want to take some time to share this with you in case you do not know. Many people have always heard of this saying before, how do I save more interest, or how do I save more payment on my housing loan? And naturally, your friends, your family, your relative, whoever is it, will say that do a refinancing of your housing loan. Is that true? Well, I would like you to share or try this method before you go into refinancing. Why? It's because refinancing has a lot of costs going into changing the loan. So in case if you do not know what refinancing means, it's basically, let's say you are having a loan with Bank A, and then suddenly Bank B offers a much lower interest rate. So you basically change your loan from Bank A to Bank B to enjoy the better interest rate, because at the end of the day, whatever little amount of interest that you're saving basically helps you to save a very big portion of your interest payment. Now, a lot of people, when they heard of this strategy, which I call a debt review, they were very sort of shocked, like, hey, how come you didn't tell me this earlier? And this is one of the simplest and easiest strategy that everybody should know of. And how it goes is like this. Say, for example, before you actually decide to move from Bank A to Bank B to refinance your property, go and talk to your banker in Bank A. Tell them that actually you're in consideration of moving to Bank B because they are offering such a low interest rate. And ask them to do a debt review for you, basically to review your overall account, how is it been conducting, whether you've been a good paymaster, can you sort of match the interest compared to the other bank, or make it even better if you can reduce the interest lower, because the bank are a profit-making company. So if you are a good paymaster and good customer, they will do whatever it takes to retain you. So based on my experience and those people that have practiced this before, they actually get a interest reduction on their loan, on their overall loan. So in that sense, they're actually saving interest and they are very happy because you don't have to incur the cost of financing, which directly you would have a cost on the lawyer fee. Then you have a cost on the loan stamp duty, which can come up to a few thousand ringgit depending on how much the amount that you're going to finance. So if you like to find out, what are the costs, let me see if I can find the calculator and I'll share it in this post. And in case some of your friends who still do not know of this strategy, please by all means share this video with them. This can literally save them thousands of ringgit, right? See you guys. If you are keen to come into our debt management workshop, the next one is on the 22nd May. I'll see you then.